Next, we're going to talk in more detail about your own well-being as a CNA. As care professionals, CNAs are prone to burnout as they balance supporting and caring for patients' families, as well as their individual responsibilities. Burnout is chronic or ongoing work-related stress that has not been successfully managed. Focusing on well-being and self-care can prevent burnout and can positively impact your work and personal life. What do we mean by well-being? The CDC defines well-being as the presence of positive emotions and moods such as contentment and happiness, the absence of negative emotions such as depression, anxiety, satisfaction with life, fulfillment, and positive functioning. So this suggests that well-being, sometimes referred to as wellness, is happiness and balance in the overall elements that impact daily living. When we say elements of well-being, we mean the elements you see in this graphic. These include physical well-being, emotional well-being, intellectual well-being, social and interpersonal well-being, environmental well-being, financial well-being, and occupational well-being. As you probably already realize, the well-being concepts are interconnected and can impact each other. This image will become familiar to you as you work your way through the course content. In each module, we'll refer back to these 7 elements of well-being, so let's briefly review each of the elements. Let's begin with physical well-being, which is caring for the body through exercise, nutrition, and rest. Common elements that support your physical well-being include sleep, exercise, stretching, and eating a healthy diet. Although these tasks may seem simple, they can be easily impacted by other aspects of life, such as busy schedules, stress, work commitments, the cost of food, and other factors. Prioritizing physical well-being for yourself may seem difficult as a CNA. The physical requirements of the job, work hours, and work environment have potential impacts on your physical well-being. Several modules in this course focus on body mechanics and ways to take care of your physical well-being in your job. We have included some additional resources in the resource download section of this course that can also help you make your physical health a priority while working. Next on the wheel is emotional well-being. This can be defined as attending to your own thoughts and feelings, monitoring your reactions, and identifying obstacles to emotional stability. Emotional well-being has a lot to do with how we manage and adapt to stress. In daily life, in and out of work, there are various stressors that impact us. Emotional well-being will be highlighted in the module about mental health and self-care. That module will teach you how to nurture your well-being and provide coping skills and ideas to manage stress. Intellectual well-being is the way we find satisfaction and joy by expanding our knowledge through learning new information and skills. Intellectual well-being can be enhanced at work through learning new skills that benefit your clients and increasing your knowledge about specific areas that help you understand your clients. In fact, you are enhancing your intellectual well-being right now by taking this course. Intellectual well-being also includes trying new hobbies that bring you relaxation and peace. This can include watching videos on places you'd like to visit, playing brain games, or learning to play an instrument. Even reading a magazine can positively impact your intellectual well-being. Interpersonal well-being is the building and maintaining of relationships with others, such as friends and family. Social and interpersonal well-being is important both at work and outside of work. Building positive relationships with coworkers fosters effective teamwork, can increase your job satisfaction, and provides opportunities for professional growth. Maintaining social relationships outside of work is also crucial for your fulfillment and happiness. It's important to keep a healthy work-life balance, so remember to include time for friends, loved ones, and social activities to help maintain your social well-being. Check out the videos we've provided for you in the resource section to understand more about the benefits of social wellness. Environmental well-being is defined as having good health by occupying pleasant, stimulating environments that support well-being. It promotes interaction with nature and also creates an enjoyable personal environment both in and out of your workspace. The environment in this context is anywhere you live, work, and anywhere you exist. The environment can impact your physical, emotional, and financial well-being. Allergens, chemicals, pollution, and having clean water are all examples of environmental factors that impact your overall well-being. You can't always choose what's in the environments where you work and live, but you can take some steps to keep your environment healthier. Check out the National Institute of Health's Environmental Wellness Toolkit to learn additional strategies to help improve your environmental well-being. We are getting to the final few elements in the wheel. Next up is financial well-being. This can be defined as having control or increasing control over your finances and being more comfortable with financial outcomes. Of course, being comfortable financially may be defined differently by different people, but financial discomfort, like debt, late bill payments, and other financial dissatisfactions can lead to stress, and this in turn can impact your overall well-being. So taking the time to understand your finances and your goals is important to increasing your financial and overall well-being. The final element is occupational well-being, which is exploring and pursuing career options that you enjoy, find satisfaction in, and help you feel an improved sense of wellness. Maintaining occupational wellness allows you to develop unique skills and talents that are both personally and professionally rewarding. To find occupational well-being, you can reflect on yourself and your occupational needs. Practice open communication and proper conflict management with your colleagues. Try to develop open dialogue with your management team to see how you can best further your career. Set realistic career goals for yourself and constantly work towards accomplishing these goals. Check out the modules on effective communication and career progression to learn more about how to pursue occupational well-being. We've covered each of these elements separately, but they are all interconnected and important, and you will see this theme throughout the entire course. In each module, we will highlight the relevant elements and provide tips on how to improve your well-being in each of these areas. Are you ready?